Atma, Namaste. Today I'm going to talk you about aura. What is an aura and what is the use of it? How to operate the aura? These things we shall discuss about. I'm going to explain. So first of all, what is an aura? Aura means it's an energy body. It's a light body or light around the human body. So I'll explain you this about this uh, aura with the help of screen sharing. Okay, na? Thank you. So he's Master Choa Coxey, founder of World Pranic Healing. So he made all these courses. I learned all his courses. So with the help of his courses, I'm doing and I am explaining all this information. So first of all, I'm going to explain the what is an aura. So in chakras, okay, images of an aura. I'm going to explain. So this is the Kirlian photography image. This is the Kirlian photography image. Kirlian photography is made at Russia in 1970s. So here, before pranic healing, person aura is like this. If you see, if it was seen by Kirlian photograph, it is like this. After healing, the aura is like this. The aura is more energetic and more healthy. Okay, na? So the images of aura I'll show you. Here, see the aura. So aura consists of two layers. One is inner aura, two parts. One is inner aura, and another one is outer aura. So the inner aura is very near to the body, and outer aura is it is nearly 1 meter size is there. So, but the inner aura is nearly from 3 to 5 centimeters. Depending upon the sadhana, the person's inner auras will increase or expand. Okay, so like this. So now I'm going to explain differently. So the aura, see, generally a dirty aura is like this. The person who has the dirty aura, it consists of different cracks and all those things, holes, something, some other elements are there. Okay. So by using the pranic healing or energy healing, we can get the healthy aura like this. What is the benefit of this? This is about the aura. Okay, this is all about the aura. Now I'm going to explain what is the use of this. If the aura is healthy and if the aura is clean, what is the use of that? See, if you wear a old cloth, what happens? How you experience? It's not discomfort will be there. Discomfort is there. But if you wash the cloth and if you wear, cleanly iron it, if you wear, then what happens? How the feeling is very comfortable, very happy. Okay, it's beautiful. So like that, aura is also like that. If you have clean and healthy aura, then you feel healthy, happy. You can feel inner peace, inner happiness. Okay, so uh, and also if you have healthy aura, then not only the inner peace, inner happiness, you can take good decisions, comfortable, easiness in your every action, clarity of thought, clarity of mind, clarity of emotions. These are the benefits of the cleaning aura. Okay. So by practicing the prayers, meditations, and healings, one can expand his aura. So I'll show you. This is chakras. Okay. Okay. by explaining, okay, right. See, aura is made up of with energy. Energy is your etheric energy. See, aura, how it is actually, how a magnet has magnetic field around it. Same like that, a human body consists of human aura, like this. Okay. Na? So whenever a disease or a problem comes to you, first it manifests in your aura. Later only it manifests in your physical body. Okay. So now by cleansing the aura and healing the aura, you can escape from the problem. Okay. This is the formula of the pranic healing. So once you clean your aura and get healed, then if any problem is there in your aura, it will be cleansed. So it will not, the problem will not come to your physical body. Okay. So for that, I know the healing. I have been practicing this pranic healing for the past 12 years. Not only that, I'm a physics lecturer. I'm giving my contact number and my email address in the description box. If you have any problems related to health and wealth, you can contact me. So my practice level is not a spiritual level or a behavioral level. Just I can deal with this health and wealth issues only. I can solve. So if you have any suggestion or healing help, please contact me. So I'm giving you the contact number in my description box in this video. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.